Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazing. Today what I wanted to do is a little bit of a review on a teeth whitening kit that I've been trying, because you guys know, if you've been watching my channel since the very beginning, I have always whitened my teeth at home. I've never had like a professional service done at the dentist or anywhere else. I just like the convenience, as with everything else, I just like the convenience of being able to do it at my house on my own time. And I have used a lot of, previous whiteners in the past and whitening toothpastes. I've been, pretty loyal to a lot of different types of strips. The biggest problem with me using whitening strips a lot of the time is the teeth sensitivity issue. If you're whitening for consecutive days, a lot of times your teeth becoming sensitive is a really big problem for most people. So I tried this new whitening kit. This is from the brand HiSmile, and I actually had a really positive experience with this one. So I just wanted to quickly go over, my thoughts, my experience, share some tips and tricks with you guys. So let's get into it. So like I was saying, I'm not, super loyal to any one specific type of whitening product. I always jump around from brand to brand. So I was very excited to try this one, especially because this specific kit is a new formulation of the HiSmile whitening gel. The gel in this kit is actually a reformulation. So they launched a new formulation of the gel based on previous customer feedback, and they really wanted to create a gel that wasn't going to cause any pain or sensitivity, which, like I was saying, is something that I have dealt with in the past with using other whitening products. And I can genuinely say that from the HiSmile gel, I did not have any discomfort. I had no tooth sensitivity, and I was, doing normal things like eating and drinking as I normally would. Whereas in the past, I have had to only have room temperature drink and food for a couple days because my teeth would just get so extra sensitive. But no sensitivity, no discomfort, no pain with this whitening gel. The gel has a new active whitening ingredient, a new remineralizing agent, and they also redid the mouth tray so that it has a tighter, more snug fit. In the kit itself, you get everything you need to do the whitening process. So you have your directions for the whitening, you have the shades that you can start from and potentially progress to, and then you have your syringes of whitener. But I didn't put the gel on every single tooth in my mouth. I really only concentrated on the teeth that you see when I smile. So that's just something to be aware of. You can actually be left over with a lot more gel, and I like that because I can do so many more treatments whitening my teeth. And then you also do get your LED light and your whitening tray, which is really easy to work with. It's very bendable and it doesn't feel, hard or uncomfortable in your mouth. And then you just attach the whitening tray to the LED light. And then once you have the gel on your teeth and the tray in place with the light, you just turn it on, and it has a timer on it, so you'll know when to take the tray out as well. These are my teeth before I started treatments. So I did this before picture the day before I did the first whitening treatment, and then these are my teeth now when I did my last treatment, which was last night. So I did 6 full treatments. This was the end result. I literally just took the photo because I did the last whitening treatment last night. So this is the last, the most recent photo of the end result. So I'm super happy with it. I mean, I did not have any tooth sensitivity, which is the main thing. I thought it was really nice and convenient. I liked how easy the products were to use. I have never used a whitening kit that had the LED light on it, so I actually really liked that. And I do think that this kit gives your teeth an extra bit of glowing brightness. I almost feel like the LED light and the gel make your teeth look a little bit more radiant. So I loved that. I do have a couple other products from HiSmile that I've been using and really loving. I love their toothpaste. This is the HiSmile toothpaste. It's so cute and pink, but I actually feel like this makes my teeth feel so clean. I use this with my Sonicare Diamond Clean toothbrush, and I feel like I'm leaving the dentist's office. That is how clean this stuff makes my teeth feel. I absolutely love this. And then I've also got their HiSmile whitening pen. It has a little brush applicator and you just twist at the base, and then it has whitening gel in it, and you can use this when you want to do a little quick touch up. And I'm actually really excited to bring this with me when I go traveling. I think teeth whitening pens actually really come in handy when you feel like your teeth are looking a little bit dingy or dull, but you don't need to do like a full-blown whitening treatment. So I think that that's like the ideal situation for this, to throw it in your purse or use it when you're traveling, or just every once in a while when you notice that your teeth are starting to look a little bit dingy. That's when I like to use whitening pens like this. All right guys, I think that's everything I wanted to hit in this video though. I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope you found it informative. If you do have any questions, please feel free to hit me up in the comments down below. Please subscribe if you didn't earlier, and please be sure to come follow me on Instagram as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye guys.